Hi guys, Horse from Supercar Sports here today. This is effectively the last video of 2019, and if you've read the title, it says Maserati Ghibli Pure Sounds. I do think that this is one of, if not the best sounding V6 ever. Before I carry on with that, I know I'm going to get trolled saying the Lancia Stratos is the best. I only just found out today that that is a V6, so I'm going to watch videos after this video is filmed. But for now, maybe you could say this is the best modern V6. And before I carry on, Nissan GTR with pipes, yeah, but stock, I don't think they actually sound that good. This is fully stock. Anyway, enough dwelling, let's get into the video. The things I do for a video is I've just ran all the way from down there to here. And that, well, this is going to be the perfect straightaway, barring that there's no traffic, but yeah. Now, we've just pulled over in a side road. I don't want to show too much, but there is a GBS. But I don't want to show their house, just in case they get funny about it. So, yeah, that's that. Very quick, very short but sweet. Kind of started to upset the local, well, I don't think we did, but we caused quite a lot of attention. So yeah, that is it. Last video of 2019. I hope you all have a very happy Christmas, and I will see you all again very soon.